Open houses aren't just for showcasing homes, they're lead generation machines when done correctly. In this video, I'll show you how to turn every open house into a steady stream of qualified buyer and often seller leads. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to run high-converting open houses, generate leads, build relationships, and grow your real estate business. I know agents who follow this proven system and have generated as many as 5 closed transactions from one lead at an open house. And they continue to see results today from these same clients. If you stay till the end, I'll share 20 plus ways to find properties outside the MLS so you can differentiate yourself from the average agent and provide extra value to your clients. I've worked with agents who initially viewed open houses as just a weekend activity with little return. But after learning a few key strategies, they turned open houses into their #1 lead generation source, consistently booking 2 to 3 appointments per event. Let's break down exactly how they did it. First, let's talk about how to get people in the door. Make sure your open house promotion speaks directly to both buyers and sellers. Instead of just saying, "Come see this home," use messaging like "thinking of buying or selling," "Let's chat about the market while you tour this great home." Call potential buyers and sellers from your CRM ahead of the open house. Invite them personally and use this as an opportunity to gauge their motivation. Leverage both online and offline promotion channels. Post on social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube Shorts. Email your database with a targeted invite. Door knock or distribute flyers in the immediate neighborhood. If not for those homeowners, their friends or family can become their new neighbor. Mail postcards to the immediate neighborhood or subdivision. Partner with local businesses for cross-promotion. The more exposure, the more potential leads walking through the door. Now that you've got people walking in, let's make sure you don't lose them. Never ask, "Would you like to sign in?" Instead, assume the sign-in is part of the process by saying, "Go ahead and sign in so I can send you details on other homes like this." Set up an iPad or QR code for an easy digital sign-in that syncs with your CRM automatically, ensuring no lead is lost. Make it easy and inviting for visitors to share their contact details. Use digital or paper sign-in sheets, always get the job done. Offer an incentive like entry into a raffle or a local gift card. A tip to consider is position the sign-in station at the entrance and have a greeter explain its importance. Engage visitors with purposeful conversations. Don't just ask generic questions. Go deeper to uncover their motivation. What home in the neighborhood are you thinking of selling? Or are you currently working with an agent? Also consider, are you just browsing or are you actively searching for a home? Tailor your response to their timeline and needs. Here's where most agents drop the ball, following up quickly and with value. Don't just follow up, provide value. In your message, mention a unique selling point of the home they toured or share an off-market listing as an exclusive incentive. Use video follow-up to stand out. A quick personalized video message saying, "Great meeting you at the open house. Here's a quick update on the market and what's coming soon." This builds rapport fast. Speed matters. Keep the momentum going by reaching out quickly. Send a personalized follow-up email or call. Include relevant details such as similar listings they might like, upcoming open houses. A sample script might be, "Hey Mrs. Buyer, it was great meeting you at the open house earlier today. I'd love to help you find the perfect home. Here are a few options we discussed. Let me know if you'd like me to arrange a showing." And don't forget about the neighbors. They're one of the biggest missed opportunities in open houses. Neighbors are a goldmine for listings. When inviting them, say, "I'd love your thoughts on the home since you know the area best." Also, if you know anyone thinking of selling, let's chat. Leave behind just sold or market update flyers in the neighborhood showing recent activity, making you the go-to expert in the area. Neighbors can be a goldmine for future listings and referrals. Inform them about the open house ahead of time. Invite them for exclusive early access, maybe the hour prior to the open house. Keep in mind, many neighbors visit open houses to gauge their own home's value. Use this as an opportunity to start a conversation about their future selling plans. Comment non-MLS below. If you want my guide on how to find off-market properties, show your value as a buyer's agent and differentiate yourself from the competition. Open houses don't have to be just weekend activities. They're powerful lead generators when done right. Systematize and monetize your open houses and you'll see consistent business growth. If this video was valuable, hit subscribe so you never miss a future video. Next up, watch how to win real estate clients with buyer presentations. where you'll learn how to deliver presentations that convert leads into loyal clients.